A customer grabs an employee's hands. No weapon, no injury, no visible crime in the moment. So why was this enough for an arrest? Under Georgia law, simple battery does not require an injury. Only intentional contact that is insulting, provoking, or harmful.
750 base from 1023.
Yes, he's right here now.
Hi, is everything okay? What's going on?
I clocked in at 4:30. I work here.
Okay.
So I was at the counter, and normally the customers who don't leave their keys out here because they say they can't see the sign that says leave keys in there. So he said, do you work for Avis? I said, yes. So he was getting his keys out of his pocket. So I said, well, I'll take your keys because there's signs outside that say to leave your keys in the car. So he handed me his car key. That's how I have them. I didn't take them from him.
Okay.
He handed them to me. He said, well, let me get a picture because I don't know who you are. I said, sir, please don't take a picture of me. I said, your receipt gets emailed to you. I'm going outside to check the cars in. So I walked off. He said, excuse me. No, you don't go nowhere with my keys. I said, sir, I work here. He said, well, then we'll go outside together. I said, there's no need for that. I said, I'm going outside to check your car. I said, I work here. So he said, well, you're not giving me no name. So I tried to walk around the carousel, and he was following me. So then after I was trying to get past him, he put his hands on me and he mushed me. So that's when everybody was down there and they seen him put his hands on me, and one of the workers said, well, airport police is right there. Just talk to somebody, and the man wouldn't listen. So I don't know where he disappeared to. I don't know where he's at. But he said he was coming out here to follow me to make sure I check his car in.
What did you look at?
Put the key in that box.
Thank you. He was two Caucasians. They was older, but the one in the blue sweater, he had a blue sweater on, and he was an older gentleman.
That's not him down there with the backpack, is it?
No, I don't think so. I never seen him come out.
Okay, they didn't follow you out?
No, but he said he was, and I'm pretty sure he's still in there.
All right, I'll wait till the other officer gets here and I'll go check inside. What would you like? You just make sure he's gone, or that's it?
It was two of them, but I don't remember what the other one looked like. It was just the aggressor that I spoke to.
Okay, and he was a white male, older?
Yes, both of them looked like.
Okay.
But this guy said that she was going to look on the camera to see if she could see her.
Okay. Where's the car? Just make sure that if he's down there,
The car is here because this is my car right here. So we pulled up around the same time, but I had went in first.
Yeah. Let's walk down to make sure nothing's there. So 10-4. She don't want to do anything right now.
See, this is literally all I do, and I was trying to tell him that.
I understand that, man. I know what you guys do in the morning, but you don't want to do a report or anything like that.
I do.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I don't want to deal with that.
Oh, I'll tell him not to come back and visit you at all. No problem. If I find him, I'll give him a conversation. But he didn't harm you in any way. Just
no, he just he mushed me.
Did push you on you like this?
Like he moved my hands out the way like this. And
okay, so he never actually touched it.
He did touch me.
Like that?
No, like that.
Okay.
Like I wasn't going nowhere. He wouldn't let me pass him at all.
Okay.
Like I was being held hostage or something. I didn't do anything.
If you need anything, I'll be back. Okay. He's back.
He's right here.
Stay with me. Sir, did you touch her? Yes or no? Did you touch her?
I listen, let me explain the situation. I'm not trying to be difficult. I don't know this lady, and she comes and she takes my car keys, and I'm saying...
Did she have any? She has a jacket on that says budget.
Yeah, but I just told her, I'm just asking her, can I take a picture of you?
If she's not comfortable...
With my car. Yeah, but she's got my keys.
Well, if you wanted to walk back to the car with her, I'm trying to see.
Well, yeah, but you can see right here. I just want to take... Listen, I think if I can just get a picture of her with my car...
That's done. She works here. I know she works here.
Okay, if you can...
It's not about that, sir.
It's okay.
But you're not supposed to touch anybody. You know that's...
No, I just told her, can you... I'll walk out with my keys. I'm just worried. I'm good. If you can vouch for her. If you can vouch for her,
no one's going to be coming in here like that and asking for this. Because she...
Well, I know, but you understand. Some stranger comes. I'm good. If you will, you know her.
Sir, it's not about what I know her. There's not many people are going to come in through this way to come steal a car. There's cameras around here. Even if you turn the car in, you're still not going to be liable for anything because you turned it in thinking it was representative. Hold on a second.
I'm good.
Do you have a driver's license on you? Go for 750.
I was just.
I understand, sir. But sometimes if they're wearing the shirt.
I don't know. I asked her for identification.
It's how much if she...
I'm good if you are good.
He
vouched for you. I'm good. And I'm...
Yeah, that's okay. Sir.
It's okay. I'm just trying to be peaceable.
Yes, sir. Where are you? She doesn't want to deal with you. The judge.
What is it?
All right. Just stand right over there, and I'll deal with you. I got to talk to my sergeant real quick. Just stand right there, sir. Basically, it was a gentleman who wasn't sure if she actually worked here, even though she had the budget shirt on, and he wanted to take a picture of her to say vouch that he turned in the car. And she goes, "I work here." She handed her the keys. According to her, he handed her the keys, and he wanted to take a picture vouching that she had the car, that she works here. And then she wouldn't let him pass, and just like pushed him off. This was what she said, and like smushed him, touched her. She wouldn't do anything. She just wants him gone. He's right here with me. He came down to take a picture. I'm talking to him right now. I advise him he needs to go. I'll advise him he needs to go. All right, sir. Just are you flying out?
Yeah.
All right, just go ahead and leave. No.
I'm sorry. It was just weird.
Well,
I'm sorry. I will just say no more. I apologize.
Because you already made her feel really uncomfortable, and she's just trying to do her job.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You know,
If you really feel next time, just stand by the car until you see a representative come up. Because all right, sir, just go ahead and go. I'm here. He's gone. I tell him he can't come back here.
No, I would have pressed charges on him.
Hold on a second. Sir, stand by. Step out here right now. You might have to help me deal with this. Now she wants to press charges. She's an employee here. Step back over here, sir. Just come outside here. You'll see me. I'm standing right outside. I have my sergeant. This is going to be on more than what I need. I need to get my sergeant out here. Just stand by with me right now, okay? Situation happened. All right. So I have to take care of this. If she wants to do a complaint, I press charges because you touched her.
I didn't. Oh, gosh. You know what I'm asking her? I asked her, "Can you just give me my keys back and I'll walk out with you?" Because I know she wouldn't give them back.
Well,
and I said, she says, "I want to call the police." I said, "Can you please call the police? Just call."
I would have just waited right there. I would have
Well,
stopped.
yeah, but she's running off with my keys.
Well,
You gotta understand. She wouldn't show me any identification. How long would you be? I don't want to mess up my flight.
Go for $750.
I asked her, "Just give me my keys. I'll walk out with you." She wouldn't do that. She wouldn't let me take a picture of her with my keys. She wouldn't. She was just, and she's running off. Oh gosh. I'm not a violent person. I'm just trying to. So I don't know what happens next.
Well, sir, when he goes out here, I'm going to talk to her, and then we'll go from there.
Well, how long?
He's coming right now.
Can we walk that way?
Uh,
I'm just really nervous. I gotta pee now, too.
well, just stand by here.
Is this her?
No, that's my sergeant.
Yeah.
Now, did you actually touch her, like swat her hand away?
No, she's trying to run off, and I kind of like blocked for egress, and she's trying to run, and just, I won't touch you, but I didn't like assault her or anything.
Did they send you the video?
Again now?
Did they send you the video?
No, they just said they sent it to you.
I have not received it yet.
Tell me that thing.
I did.
So,
Okay, here it is.
sir, step back over there. Take him to the latrine.
All right, come with me to the latrine. You can keep my phone and all. Well, if she really wants to press charges.
Oh, seriously? So what does that mean? How long is this for?
Sir, you can be arrested for this. That's assault.
Oh my gosh. You gotta understand where I'm coming from. I really gotta pee. So what happens? How do we walk through this?
Well, right now, stand by him. He's going to talk to her. We'll go back out there and see what he wants.
Oh my gosh.
Because this has gone further up the food chain.
Oh my gosh. Do my favor.
Yeah.
Hold him right down there. Down there, I'll be right back. Hey, what happens? Can you tell me that?
He's going to come back. Just come with me right over here.
Yeah, I don't know why she would just show me identification. I don't get it.
There's several different ways you could handle this. Just got
Right.
well, did she tell you that your receipt will be in your email?
She's told me I should have left the keys in the car.
Yeah,
I'm trying to give her my key. So all I'm saying is, I'll give you my keys, I'll walk out with you. I just wanted to make sure that, I don't know who this lady is. She wouldn't show me identification. She has a jacket, but I mean, someone could pick up a jacket from behind a counter. She steals my car, I got nothing. Well, I wasn't aggressive with her. I held my car. I held up and said, please don't walk off. Call the police. Please, I'm begging her. Call the police.
Well,
I don't know. I'm here now. I'm not trying to be argumentative. I just don't know how to. Oh my gosh.
yes, sir. I'm gonna have to go back out there and find out. I can leave him right here Yeah, well, let me go find. She was outside when I was trying to get you to come out. When he came up. No. I before. Okay. Okay. I'll put him in handcuffs. Can we go talk to her again? And I'm not trying to do anything. Or can you come? Can you come? Okay. All right. Then I need you to come down here. I need to get his information. I need another officer down here now because I need to get his stuff. Yeah. I can do all that. I just need to get his driver's license information because all his other stuff is upstairs. Yeah, it's upstairs with his friend. All right. Come with me, sir.
What's happening?
I'm gonna arrest you.
Oh, seriously? So what happened now?
You're gonna have to you'll be transported down to Chatham County Detention Center.
Oh, come on. Seriously? Can we talk to this lady? Can we appeal to her? Oh my gosh.
Like I said, you don't put hands on people. Even if you're not sure, just let them call the police. If she says she'll call the police.
So I go to lockup?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to be nice about it.
Well, no, I'm not. I got no issue with you. I get that. You're not the one making the calls here, but can I talk to the sergeant? I mean, who makes the call?
That's the sergeant right now, and it's basically, that's why I was trying to get this stuff taken care of. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs and I'm gonna put you in the back of my car.
Oh, come on. Oh my God. So then how long am I in lockup?
And until you can make bail.
Can I get your handcuffs, man? Put them in handcuffs.
I got my handcuffs. Just,
Can I talk to you, please? No, sir, you cannot. You gotta talk to this officer, he's the primary. I don't know what you got to say. Oh my God.
all right, put you in the back of this car, okay? Just, if you got to turn around a little bit.
Wait a minute.
So get in the car right now.
Wait. I'm taking in my buddy.
Okay,
He needs my
sir.
car keys.
Okay, sir, where's your car keys at?
In my bag.
Okay, good. I can get that. You need to get in the car. You need to get
Okay.
in the car first. I'll get the bag.
We'll get everything. All right, watch your
I'm
head.
trying it. Just hold on.
Take your time.
Oh, gosh. I can't. I'm trying. This really hurts. My buddy is flying into
We'll get you
DWI.
the key. We'll get him his keys. Now I just need you to get in the back of the car. No, I haven't got any of that.
I'll go take care of that.
Hold on a second before you run off. All right, where's his keys?
He just told you it was in his bag right there.
Oh, first of all, it's fine. And he came right back out, and that's when she said she wanted to press charges. No. I didn't. That's why I called you back out.
No,
Yeah, I gotta also remember, I gotta do that bag thing now too with Terry. So he can get his bags back. I'm getting him for assault.
No, you're talking simple better.
Simple better, okay.
My cell phone.
Your cell phone is up front with me. I have it right there in the front seat, okay?
Hey, can I talk to my friend to explain? He's an older guy. He doesn't even know how to...
Let's get out of talk, man. Too much waste of time, man.
I had to have him sign that stuff. That's why I wanted you to just wait a few minutes so we can get, or have somebody else down here with me so I can get this stuff processed. That's all I was trying to get done.
That lady get her information before she end up getting out of here.
Why is she leaving? She's working.
I don't know. I'm just trying to. You can get the process, but I need to run out and get her stuff first before she leaves. Get it quick, and then come back in because we can get this done.
Just go ahead and go ahead and get those keys off to him. I'll get the
Code Section 16. 523 reaches contact as small as grabbing or pushing someone's hands away. Assault requires only a threat of violence. Battery requires the contact itself. That distinction decided which charge applied here. An arrest cannot rest on a description alone. It requires either an officer witnessing the act or a clear sworn account from the victim. In Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, the Supreme Court held the Fourth Amendment does not bar a warrantless arrest for a minor offense once probable cause exists. Probable cause does not require certainty. It requires a victim's account, and conduct the subject does not fully deny. Lesson 1. A civilian has no legal authority to physically block or detain someone to verify their identity, even with a good faith concern. Lesson 2. Once a victim chooses to press charges, the case shifts from discretion to formal investigation. There is no walking it back. Lesson 3. Charging accuracy matters. Calling contact assault instead of battery can mean pursuing the wrong legal standard entirely. Lesson 4. The right response to a proper dispute is a supervisor or a phone call, not a hand on another person. So the real question is not whether the contact happened. It is whether either side understood, in that moment, where the legal line actually was.